And today we are going to learn something very interesting. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own sheet masks at home. If you are aware of the current beauty trends, you would know how big a rage are the Korean sheet masks. You know, whenever I have a long flight ahead of me, sheet masks are my best friend. I always like to take them along and just slap them on before the flight, and it just plumps up all the goodness into my skin. And now you'll wonder, why a sheet mask? Why can't I just apply a regular mask on my face, like a cream based or a clay based? So the biggest difference between a regular mask and a sheet mask is the element of occlusion. Think of it as a seal that is slapped onto your face. Oh well, it's not so harsh. So it's like a seal that prevents the moisture and the goodness from getting evaporated. As simple as that. So it kind of just locks in the moisture into your skin. So sheet masks are basically cotton-based sheets infused with viscous serums or emulsions. Although I own a hell lot of Korean sheet face masks, but let me tell you, I also enjoy making them on my own. It's a very fun process, where you can experiment with a lot of ingredients, things that suit your face. It's a lot of fun, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. So to make the first mask, we're going to take one of the compressed mask tablets, which is something like this. You get a pack of these tablets, and I'll just show you how it looks. Just opening a brand new one. So it's basically a cotton sheet mask compressed down into this tablet. When you put this into a liquid, it flux up to become a sheet mask. The first mask which I'm going to make is a honey oat sheet mask. Honey is loaded. It's packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Honey is great for your skin. It's basically a humectant, which means it's a product that helps in retaining the moisture and keeps your skin from drying out. And it is super calming for the skin. It's the most inexpensive beauty treatment. Like, I would any day prefer slapping on honey for about 50-20 minutes rather than going for a facial. It makes your skin so soft and so supple. So let me show you how it's made.
Honey is amazing for dry skin. It's a fantastic moisturizer and works wonders on dry, patchy skin. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help treat your troubled skin. So let's mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 3 tablespoons of oat water. To prepare oats water, boil half cup of oatmeal in half cup of water. Sieve the water and cool it. Mix honey and oats together. Honey is an incredibly nourishing and perfect in anti-aging since it helps plump and hydrate your skin. It is also very good for the treatment of scars. Oatmeal can soak up the excess oil in your skin and help treat acne. Oats also contain compounds called saponins, which are natural cleansers. They remove dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliate the skin. Oatmeal is a secret to flawless skin. Now, after we've mixed honey and oat water together, just drop the compressed mask tablet in it. Oats also help reduce itching and inflammation and can be used to calm eczema and heal psoriasis. Owing to its healing, moisturizing, and antioxidant properties, oatmeal is effective in soothing sunburns also. Apply this mask on your face, let it sit for 20 minutes, and rinse it off with warm water. My skin feels very soft and very supple. Yay! Let me tell you, all these masks will be little drippy. They're not viscous because they're not like, the store-bought masks. So you can't really walk around with that. Well, I usually like to chill, maybe read a book, chit-chat on the phone.
Coming to the second sheet mask, this is used for brightening, on tan removal or whitening or whatever you'd like to call it. My favorite mask for detanning, and it is really good and very effective. Do try it out.
Mix 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon honey. We already discussed the benefits of honey. Let me tell you something about lemon and tomato. Tomatoes are red balls full of nutrients. It transforms dull skin and restores glow. Since they have pore shrinking properties and they help tightened skin, chances of acne and pimple are also greatly reduced. Let me tell you something about lemon too. The whole world is aware of skin lightening properties of lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, citric acid, so they help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help in reducing skin damage and premature aging. Due to its high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on skin and reduce inflammation. Lemons also help treat your blackheads. Now just drop the compressed sheet mask tablet in it. Same process, wear the mask, leave it for 20 minutes and wash your face with water and continue with your regular moisturizing routine.
Third mask which I'm going to talk about is a huge beauty trend, and the mask is a rice water brightening face mask. It makes your skin soft and it also brightens up very quickly.
To prepare this, take a cup of rice, give it a quick rinse and clean it, pour 1 cup of water into a bowl, soak the rice in the water for about 4 to 5 hours, use your fingers to gently stir and press down the rice, strain the rice and collect the water. Now, drop the sheet mask into the rice water. Japanese and Korean women have been using rice water as a skincare and hair product for centuries. People in Korea and Japan use rice water to minimize blemishes and brighten their skin. It's assumed that rice water may contain some enzymes that have skin brightening effect. This is why it is used as an active ingredient in soaps and creams. If you cannot lay hands on compressed sheet mask tablets, you can use these cotton rounds as well. These cotton pads are very, very effective because they're absolutely soft and they absorb really well. So just dip it in water for some time and lay in bed and place these on your face. It's going to do the same magic as a compressed sheet mask.
Alright, my beautiful girls and boys, if you liked it and if you try them out, please comment in the comment section and let me know. And also, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out any content that comes. And let me tell you, after using these sheet masks, your skin will actually feel very, very smooth and your makeup will just glide on your skin. So this is me, Shalini, signing off, and you're going to see me very soon in my next video. Till then, lots of love and keep prepping your skin.